Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita, the enemy. It looks like they're not going well for Unandi, right? This is why I'm saying that Unandi is bonding with Umtana Kazandile, like in a way that is scary, to an extent that girl decided to breastfeed the child. Upon breastfeeding the child slept so well. And uZandi woke up happy, abuza ukuthi unomntana nimpeni. That's the way alale ngakhona, like every day, like Usolomzi tried to brush it off because remember they can't say we breastfed your child. They're not supposed to do that. Uhappy nje uhappy. Mara umama Rebecca muwana ukuthi make sure ukuthi that girl does not come close to your child again. Also naye uNandi kibo bamonile ukuthi you're grieving, you must not be close to children because at some point you're going to bond with those kids and think that they are your children, and it's not like that. Cousin umshana. Yes, umshana kaNka has appeared. Umshana kaNka ufike laphana through amaphathi tertiary bamxoshile shuthi usekazoba i-resident kaMam Rebecca. We all know ukuthi eventually uzohlala lapha noNka, but uzohlala nelthini, what is her story role, what is her character, or uzoba i-girlfriend kaVelaphi. What's going to happen? Because I don't see her fitting in. The storyline mostly see about abantu abadala. I don't know. Maybe you'll tell me, Guti, how do you see it? With that said, Oneli is grieving, right? She's not coping, girl. Girl decided to Guti abonise abochuma imali and all, and then abatshela ukuthi Ulanga is the one that unalived my husband to be my fiance. And when Achuma, you're not doing anything about it. And she ended up abaxosha. Kanti ke uzothola isibhamu sika Banzi asithathe ayokhomba ubani Ulanga. In the midst of the conflict, Ulanga ngathi ubambe isibhamu leso, but the firearm went off. The question is, who did it go off on? I pray for her sake no one got shot.